No!
What do you have against makeovers?
Nothing, except I look fine.
Ah! Well, how would you like to look even better? Please, for me?
Nuh-uh. Stop pestering me, cutie hamster.
What would your reaction be if I said no? I thought we were friends. If you do it, I'll let you eat all of my candy.
I don't even like candy.
Guilt? Check. Bribery? Check. Oh, yeah. Intimidation. If you don't do it, I'll...
What part of no do you not understand?
The exclamation mark?
Look, I know I wouldn't win any cute or beautiful awards,
Understatement of the century.
but it's about what's on the inside, isn't it?
That was just lovely.
Now do you get why I don't want a makeover?
Yep.
Phew!
Doesn't mean I still don't want to do it.
No! Mom! Help!
Ta-da! Ooh la la.
Help.